Yo, what's good, YouTube? It is your boy Ron Trades, man, and now I'm back with another video, man. Now, in today's video, guys, I'm going to be going over what is Metatrader4 and how to actually navigate through Metatrader4 trading app. Now, first video start, make sure you guys drop a like on this video. Subscribe if you guys are new also, man. We're on this big road to 100 subscribers, man. Now, without further ado, I'm not going to make this video too long. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. Alright, YouTube, man, so before we actually go into the Metatrader4 app, like I said in the first beginning, I want to get you guys more information of what is a broker account and actually how to set up a demo account so that you can start practicing trading on your own without actually putting in your real money. So what a broker is, guys, a broker, you can look at a broker as like your bank. So the personal bank that you have right here or right now, that's basically what a broker is. It's basically a bank just for trading. So whenever you're ready to deposit, whenever you're ready to withdraw money, you're going to be using your broker account to do all of the transfers, right? So in order to set up a demo account on a broker, I'm going to actually be showing you right here live. So the first step is you want to go ahead and, of course, come to your broker account. The broker that I currently use is Forex. I will drop all the links to, the best brokers in the description, so make sure you do check the description out. So in order to make a demo account, guys, go ahead and head over to my accounts. Now right here you're going to see where it says create account. So cool, you want to hit right here where it says select. Here we go, Forex MT4 demo. Right, if you want to make a live account, it's going to be called ECN. Now I don't recommend making a live account if you don't really understand what you're doing. So definitely use the demo account, just play around. It's going to be all fake money. You're not putting in, any of your real money, of course. So you can literally play around and, see if it's actually for you, right? So once you're ready to make your demo account, so you'll go ahead and come here to Forex MT4 demo. Now, once you do that, guys, you want to come to account leverage. Now, this is very important. The more leverage you have, basically, the more money you can risk. So, it's a demo account, so I'm pretty sure we all want to risk a lot of money. So go ahead and choose the 500 leverage. Now, for your balance, this is going to be solely on you. Realistically, most people, they go with the 10,000 balance. But, what I would tell you is just think about what's the amount of money that you're going to start off trading with in your real account, and you get that number and you just put it into your demo account so that so now that you're trading, realistically not with $10,000, but you're actually trading with, like, say $100 or at least $500, right? So me personally, I'll go ahead and choose the $1,000 balance. Now once you choose this, you can go ahead and go to create account. Now once you create your account, you're going to get an email, right? You're going to get an email giving you all of your information on the demo account, actually how to put it in, and set up the demo account on the MT4 side. Now last but not least, before we actually go into the MT4 side, I want to tell you guys how to withdraw and deposit money, right? So let's say if you was ready to start trading right now, the first thing you would do is go ahead and hit deposit funds. Now once you hit deposit funds, you can see here I have literally deposit a lot of money into my accounts right here. So you want to hit deposit and you want to hit Bitcoin. The reason we do Bitcoin is because it's more safer. You don't have to put your credit card on these brokers at all. So using Bitcoin is just a more safer route. Now, after that, you want to go ahead and hit select a wallet. You want to always click USD. Always click USD. Now, right here where it says amount in USD, this is going to be solely on you. If you want to, put in only 50 bucks, okay, just type 50. Then it's going to redirect you to the payment page, and they're going to give you all the directions you need in order to, process your payment. So this is how you deposit on a broker account. Now, last but not least, let's go ahead and go how to withdraw from a broker account. What withdraw mean is whenever you make money in the market, you're going to be able to take it out instantly, right? So you want to go ahead and come to withdraw. Now, let's say you just did a good trade. You just made $1,000 on the trade, right? So you'll come to Bitcoin here. After you come to Bitcoin, you want to go to select wallet and you want to hit USD. Now, once you hit USD, you want to let's say you just made $1,000 in the trade. Take the money out. Amount you want to withdraw, 1,000. Hit request withdraw, and the money, it's going to definitely put you through a, certain steps so you can verify, make sure you're a real person and things like that. And once that's done, the money will be, in your account, or it's going to be sent to your Bitcoin wallet address, right? So I just went over how to set up a broker, how to set up a demo account, and how to withdraw and deposit. Now let's go ahead and dive right into the MT4 setup. All right. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead and dive right into the MetaTrader 4 walkthrough. I'm not going to make this long either. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So right here, once you download the MetaTrader 4 app from the App Store, it's going to look exactly like this. So once you have it downloaded, go ahead and click on the MetaTrader 4 app. Now, once you come here, you're going to see the first page is going to be called quotes, and you're going to see a lot of, well, actually, it's going to be called simple, on you guys' screen. So the first thing first, go ahead and change it to advanced. So you want to hit advanced in the top right. Now, once you hit advanced, you're going to see the different currencies list here. You're going to see the different spreads. I'm going to tell you what all that this means. So first and foremost, in Forex, we do trade currency pairs. So the currencies that you see here, AUD JPY, AUD CHF, AUD CAD, these are all different world currency pairs. So whenever you're ready to trade one of these currencies, you simply just click on it and you'll be able to hit trade, right? So what the spread is, though, is, as I like to keep spread very, very simple, you're going to see spread under each currency. You see right here, AUD USD spread is at 11. It's currently changing. Euro USD spread is at 6. GBP USD spread is at 9. So what that basically means is once you get into the trade, it's going to put you in exactly what price is at in the real market. Now, the higher the spread, the farther it's going to put you in from your entry. So you're going to be, in drawdown, that we call it. You're going to be losing money at first because the spread is so high. But if the spread is very low and you get a good entry, you're going to be instantly blue and you're going to be instantly seeing money being made on your screen, right? So that's going to be the currencies, and that's going to be, how to identify spread and what spread actually means. Now, in order to add currencies, to your quote page, you just want to hit this plus button in the top right. Now, once you hit this, you're going to have different, things you can trade: cryptos, Forex, exotic, energies, I already have mine added, so that's why you're not going to see a lot of them in mine, because I already have them added. But different cryptos, you want to trade Bitcoin, you can add that, Ethereum, you can add all of the currency pairs that you need. Now, one thing that I do suggest on the screen is go ahead and add all of the Forex, exotics, or you can go ahead and add all of the Forex major pairs. Now, this is very, very key too, because of course we're trading currency pairs, so you need to have all of your currencies, labeled in your quote page. So now that we did that, let's go ahead and talk about how to place a trade, right? Let's go ahead and talk about how to place a trade in the market. So right here, you're going to see on the third tab, it's going to be called trade. Now you can see right here, I'm currently in a trade on XRP USD. That is Ripple. That is a cryptocurrency, right? So I actually placed a trade here, and you can see I'm up 41 cents on this trade, right? You see right here, 41 cents on both trade. So at the top, you're going to see where it says balance, right? My balance right now, my account is $309, right? My equity, only thing equity mean is, let's say if I was up $100 on this trade, my equity would be at $400. So equity is basically telling you how much you either won on that trade or how much you actually lost on that trade. Now, with your margin level, it's going to just be how much money you have, in order to put into the market. So you only can, risk a certain amount, guys, while trading Forex. The smaller your account, of course, you're going to need a bigger margin in order to put up the most money. So obviously you have to have more money in your account. But you really don't have to know too much about margin and free margin. Just understand that it all goes around the balance in your account, right? So let's go ahead and go to the right. It's going to be called history, right? So in history, you're going to see here, these are all my trades that I placed in the past, and just it's going to show you can go back from the week, you can go from the month, you can go from custom. It doesn't really matter at all, right? So let's see what's going on here. So cool. All right, so cool. So once you go to the settings, it's going to be the last tab here. You can see this is my demo account, the same demo account that I got you guys set up with. I have the same exact one. So you see right here, Ron Hart, US 03 KOT demo account. So this is my demo account. Now on the settings page, you really don't have to do anything here at all. Everything is really going to be done for you. Let's say if you wanted to change like the colors of your charts, if you was like OCD like me, you just come here and you can change the colors of the candlesticks that you like. Now I will be doing a separate video on candlesticks, and I will be doing another separate video on how to actually place trades, and because it is different methods. It's different methods to use while trading, different buy stop, sell stop. I actually show you guys right here. So you see here we got market execution, buy limit, sell stop, and buy stop. I will do a second video on this, explaining exactly what all of these means. So without further ado, I know this was kind of a quick video, very lengthy and a lot of information. My dog is barking right now. Sorry if you hear him. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off. If you guys need any help, make sure you follow me on Instagram and go ahead and DM me, and I definitely will help you guys set up a demo account or help you set up a live account. So like I say, guys, smash a like on this video, subscribe if you guys are new. Road to 100 subscribers is on the way very, very soon. I appreciate you guys for all the love.
Whoa, just had to puff out a dope up. I was just looking to free my mind. I was just looking for peace of mind. What kind of peace? I clenched the 9. I had to have it all. Now I'm in the mode.